Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the foundations right. Install the NET SDK and confirm .NET version so your runtime matches project needs. Next, install Visual Studio Code and enable the code command for terminal launches. Once done, add the C# extension, OmniSharp, and the C# dev kit for full language services. This gives you IntelliSense, debugging hooks, and project templates. Make sure extensions are enabled, and restart VSCode so services initialize. You now create or open the project and wire up tooling. Use .NET New Console or My App for Quick App or open an existing CSproj folder. When VS Code prompts, accept recommended extensions so OmniSharp and Debugger attach automatically. Then open Run and Debug to generate launch. JSON and tasks. JSON, this configures build and debug commands. Once configured, set a breakpoint, press F5 to start debugging, and watch the integrated terminal run .NET build and run for you. Finish by validating the developer experience and knowing one solid troubleshoot step. Verify the integrated terminal runs .NET Run and that IntelliSense completes types and methods. Make sure OmniSharp is using the correct MS build and SDK. If something breaks, enable OmniSharp logging in settings and run .NET Info to confirm path and SDK versions. If OmniSharp still misbehaves, use the OmniSharp restart command and then reload the VS Code window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.